Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news, we have Pixel Smoke Animations by Dreamy Pixel Art, a character art of a hooded female student by Osuyami Sanae, a pack of pixel fonts by Mhuo. In plugin releases for today, we have an MV plugin by Gimma that rewinds time and reverses player actions with a key, an MV plugin by Equal Delight that allows referencing and playing a BGM from another map, two MV and MZ plugins by Takeshi Sunagawa. First one switches pages horizontally in window scenes, and second plugin extends our control on vehicle passage and boarding, and an MZ plugin by Unagi Otoro that makes camera movement smoother. Next, we have visual novel backgrounds of a mansion by Potato Master. And lastly, a pack of authentic 8-bit sound effects by Jessica Robo. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.